Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is here, and 6.9 inch screen, 108 megapixel camera, 12 gigs rams and 4500 mAh battery. But in this video we just take a look the 108 megapixel camera, some 50x zooms, picture quality, some night mode picture quality, and some daylight picture quality. So watch this video till the end and make sure to leave your comment about the Note 20 Ultra camera and about the result, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. So watch this video till the end and you will see what camera result of this the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra.